I accepted Police Chief Paul Suba's request for retirement this afternoon. The Guam Police Department is made up of honorable men and women who serve our community, work to keep us safe, and do so at great sacrifice to themselves and their families. Though today's events will mean a change in GPD's leadership, nothing will change my faith in the men and women of that department. I want to thank Chief Suba for many years of service to our people. I've appointed Major Rick Leon Guerrero, who is currently serving as Acting Police Commander, to now serve as Acting Chief of Police until a permanent replacement can be appointed and confirmed. As a retired Command Sergeant Major of the Guam Army National Guard and as a veteran of the police force, I am confident that Acting Chief Leon Guerrero can restore the public's confidence in our police department, reaffirm the department's commitment to public safety, and root out corruption wherever it may exist.